Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use absolute sales reference in Excel formula. So, in order to use absolute sales reference in the Excel formula, I'm creating some sample. So, one sec. So here we are. This is my Excel sheet. I just created some sample like monthly sales. So this is sample. I'm going to use the absolute self reference formula in this sample. So how it's work you can see, and you can apply it in any situation as per your requirement. So what is absolute sales reference? Absolute sales reference formula: log your sale in formula. Okay, it is like pin particular sale or number in formula. So let's start with the video. So first I'm going to take average sale of every month. This is my total sales. Okay, one second. This is my total same sale. So I'm getting the now I'm going to get the average sale of per month. So dividing this total sale. Okay, so after that I will use the absolute sales reference formula, so you can understood easily. So I'm going to use formula like sign button, then I have to select the particular sales, particular month sales, and I need to divide by total. Okay, so just enter. So it will be maybe it will appear in decimal, but we need in the particular number or percentage. So for this you for to order to change the percentage, you need to go in home, and here you have to find the numbers and click on this percentage sign, so you will get percentage. So this particular month like January, I achieved 9% of this total sale like 702. Okay, so when I applied this formula in the rest of sale, like dragging down by hold my left button of mouse and drag down, you can see it will be not it is not applied properly, it is like error. So this is time I'm going to use the absolute sales reference formula here. So how we can use, if you see the first formula which I applied correctly, so you can see b2 is like b2 b2 and b4. B2 means particular month sales, and b14 is the total sales. And if you check down formula and other formulas, other sales formula, it is shifted. It's b365 is right, it is take right, but b15 is shifted. The This is a shifted formula, so you can see the we have total in b14, and the sale has been shifted down like in b15, so it will be not work. So you can do manually, like if you want to change manually, you can do this. You can replace it like b14, so it will be if you correct by manually, it will be applied correctly. But if you have used data and you are working on the used data, so you can't do this in manually with manually. So you have to work on the absolute reference cell. So first you need to correct your first formula that I have applied in January. You just click on F2, that it will be a formula will be show here, and here you have to pin the formula, like you have to pin particular cell in formula. So in my case I have this cell which I want to pin or lock. I want to lock this cell in every formula. So just click between or every between the formulas, just click on between the cameras formulas, and now you have to press F4. Okay, press the F4, then the dollar sign will come, and it is the indication to Excel that this cell should be pinned or should be locked in every formula where whenever whichever I am going to copy it. So it is a dollar sign. If not come dollar sign in your case, just click Fn and F4. In some case, if you have another software or another keyboard or another Excel, that you have need to press Fn and Fn plus F4. Okay, in my case I need to only press F4. So this cell has been locked here, and now if you copy down in the rest of cell, you can see all copied perfectly here. So that is how you can use absolute sales reference formula, and you can copy the formulas on changing reference cell in Excel. So I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.